How to change language on OKX wallet. So if you want to change language on OKX wallet, it's normally quite simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open up the OKX wallet application here, and this is basically the kind of interface you will see. Then from here, if you want to maybe let's say change the language, what you have to do from here is simply tap on the dots icon from the top left. Then here you will see these interfaces over here. Now over here you can see a couple of these options, but we will simply look for the settings option or the preference option, or we can simply tap on profile and settings here. Once you're under profile and settings, go to preferences, and here you can choose the language. Currently it's set to English. Now you can simply change it to any of the other languages that you might prefer, and this way you'll be able to change language on OKX wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.